Picture this. A mid-size accounting firm rolls out a shiny new AI tool that turns 3 days of ratio analysis into 20 minutes. The managing partner is thrilled until that newfound speed slams into a wall. 6 weeks later, client meetings still run the exact same length. The deliverables get the same polite nod, and nobody can explain why an investment that clearly works on a technical level hasn't moved the needle on realization rates. Most firm leaders miss this. They've solved a production problem, but created a massive delivery bottleneck. Producing insights and delivering value are separate jobs. Insights flow fast, but choke at this manual valve. To fix this, we build a client delivery system. By expanding that valve, redesigning cadence, standardizing translation, changing metrics, value reaches the client. Before we start building, you need 2 things in place. First, an AI tool already deployed. Second, one designated person accountable to own this delivery workflow. Without redesigning this system, faster internal analysis remains completely invisible to the client. If they cannot see the efficiency, they will not pay a premium for it. Step 1 in our delivery system is redesigning your client meeting cadence so it matches the actual speed of your new AI capabilities. Right now, your software might be capable of generating fresh insights on a weekly basis, but if you are still delivering those insights in a standing quarterly review, that analysis sits on a shelf, expiring. Looking at this timeline, we need to transition away from that bloated quarterly 40-slide presentation. Instead, we break that schedule down into nimble, monthly, one-page updates that keep the client engaged with fresh data. Of course, moving to a higher frequency means you cannot spend hours building a giant deck every single time. Shifting the calendar requires shrinking the deliverable, which brings us to Step 2. Step 2 is standardizing the translation layer. We need to remove the informal, inconsistent judgment calls currently made by whoever happens to be assigned to the account that quarter. We solve this by building a firm-wide one-page template. As you can see on this mock-up, we replace the slide deck entirely and focus on 3 bold headers: what changed, why it matters to you, and decision required. The what changed section serves a specific purpose. It filters out the technical noise. It forces your team to distill complex AI variance analysis down to the core numbers the client actually needs to know about. Next, why it matters to you and decision required force the associate to contextualize that data. They have to map the raw number to a specific business implication and propose a clear next step. By forcing all AI output through this standardized template, you guarantee that clients consistently receive actionable advice rather than a confusing data dump of AI jargon. Now that we have the document, we have to fix the human element of the delivery. This is Step 3, scripting the handoff. If a partner simply glances at the new one-pager and improvises their explanation live on the call, the client will hear a summary that sounds exactly like last year's summary. The insight changed, but the delivery energy remained static. To ensure consistent delivery, we implement a strict 2-minute opening script for every client call. This visual breaks down the anatomy of that script, ensuring every associate explains the findings with the exact same clarity and emphasis across the entire firm. Which leads us to our 4th and final step, tracking value metrics instead of production metrics. Look at this dashboard. Most firms measure success by internal hours saved. Clients cannot feel that. We must shift to value indicators that measure client impact: how many decisions changed, your realization rate, and your referral volume. A common pushback here is that designing this system feels like extra work layered on top of an already completed software deployment. This system replaces bloated legacy workflows with a streamlined process. By implementing it, you focus the entire firm on measuring actual client behavior rather than internal operational efficiency. Let's look at how this plays out in practice. A regional accounting firm in Ohio ran this exact 4-step playbook after a rocky first year with a new analytics platform. They kept their AI tool, but they threw out their legacy reporting. They redesigned their cycle from quarterly to monthly and built a single one-page template that every associate used the exact same way. This chart shows the result. After struggling with flat numbers, their advisory revenue per client grew 18% in just 2 quarters once the new cadence and standardized templates were locked in. This 18% jump occurred without any upgrades to the AI software itself. The delivery system simply caught up to the speed of the analysis. To recap, You have just designed a system based on 4 components: a high-frequency meeting cadence, a standardized one-page template, a scripted verbal handoff, and a focus on value metrics. True AI adoption is a systems design problem. Mastering this delivery system is the only way to turn faster analysis into tangible business results. If your firm's realization rates haven't moved, talk to Foundari to start designing a delivery process your clients can actually feel.